Today, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Rena Padernal, 25, single. My father is farmer. My mother is housewife. I have 6 brothers and 5 sisters. I'm a college graduate with a Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, major in Office Management. I have an experience here in the Philippines, ma'am, as domestic helper. I serve 4 family members, 1 couple and 2 children, ma'am.
Okay, so what are the ages of the children of your employer?
Newborn and 2 years old, ma'am.
And how long did you work as a domestic to your employer?
2 years and 7 months, ma'am.
Okay, so you worked with them for 2 years and 7 months.
Yeah.
What are your household chores?
So my main duties, ma'am, is all around, like cooking, washing, ironing, and taking care of baby, ma'am.
Okay, so are you also cleaning the house of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so is there another helper in your employer household?
No, ma'am.
So it means you are the only one taking care of the 2 kids and doing all the household chores?
Yes, ma'am.
How would you describe your employers? Are they good to you?
Yes, ma'am. It's a good.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself as a worker?
So, ma'am, as a domestic helper, I'm hardworking, responsible, and honest, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have a surgical operation or serious sickness before?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad, ma'am, to provide needs of my family and to save money for my future, ma'am.
And what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working?
So I sleep around 10 p.m., ma'am, and I wake up 5 a.m. in the morning, ma'am.
In Hong Kong, kids are super active but sometimes they tend to be out of control. How will you control your temper?
So I need more patience, ma'am, to understand them, ma'am.
Okay, so if you are homesick, what would you do?
So I will focus to my work, ma'am, and to remind myself to I need this job for my family, ma'am.
Do you have an allergy to a certain food?
No, ma'am.
Do you accept a day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs and
No,
cats?
ma'am.
And are you willing to share room with the kids and elder in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
And what will you do if the baby is sick?
So if I first, ma'am, I check for temperature, ma'am, and if sick, call the employer, ma'am, if the baby is sick, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
And do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
And can you sing a nursery song for kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me example.
Wheels on the bus, ma'am.
Okay.
So wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
Okay, thank you. Can you please say a short message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. Hope I select me as a domestic helper. I am a hardworking, honest, and
Could you promise to your employer's family that you will serve them as with all your best and with all your heart?
yes, ma'am.
Could you promise to serve the family of your employer like your own family?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you willing to extend your contract if your employer requested to?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and are you a happy person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then, and that's all for today. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, ma'am.